So I'm not entirely sure what this name of this road is. We'll just make our way through Thorn. There's Miller Lane, that white house I'm coming up to. So we're going to be just passing the Thorn railway station, and the speed limit changes to a 20, so you need to own the speed limit when you get up to it, which to me means take a primary position, because most people do not respect the 20s. So the only way to get people to slow down is take the road space. But to be fair, you don't see a lot of traffic down here, so conflicts are at a minimum. So we're taking the sign for Claybank Road. So this is a lovely, nice, quiet road. This is Claybank Road, leading out of Thorn. And it will take us to Greenbank Road, where we're going to take a left at the T-junction at the bottom. As you can see, I've chosen a great day to do the footage on. Because look at this sky, look at this weather. It's lovely and warm. It's September. It's a nice warm September, not quite the end of summer just yet. Really, really nice. So great views all the way along this route, and as you expect here in the Isle of Axholme, it's views of nearby wind turbines. Luckily today is quite a wind-free day. There's a little bit of a tailwind, which is good. Every day I do this Monday to Friday, 10 miles each way, saving lots of money on fuel, keeping healthy, and as you can see, pretty much a traffic-free route, this one. So let's take a look. Pretty typical commuter bike really. This one is from Roo. It's the Foray 17. It's a little over 3 weeks old, but it's not too far. Not too long ago from a bike shop in Scunthorpe, Cycle Route Links. So it's a hybrid, it's good speed, nice grippy tyres, good for off-road and some gravel as well. It's a triple chain set, and I've got cleats as well. So as you can see, got compatible pedals. Tyre wise, the Continental contacts, they seem to be pretty good actually. And it's a disc brake as well. Up on the handlebars I have a fitting for a light when the clocks go back. I've got a Cat-Eye 1200 volt, or rather Cat-Eye Volt 1200, and a Wahoo as well. That's my Wahoo element for recording all my rides to and from work, because I do a lot of other miles as well, so why not have that on the bike. As for the gearing, it's a Shimano Altus. I don't know how good that is on the spectrum of Shimano range, but it does me fine, so I'm allowed to shift smoothly through the gears. What more could you ask for really on a commuter bike? It's nice and nippy. I did look at a mountain bike, then I came to my senses and reminded myself why mountain bikes are not for commuters. As you can see, Claybank Road, it's not the most smoothest of roads, but I've been down here on the road bike, and like any bike, as long as you pay attention to where you're going, you'll get through just fine. It's no big deal. A little bit bumpy, just slow down. Now off to you can go right there, that joins you onto the A18. I will be taking a left turn towards the canal. It's the AXHOLME Greenway, and it runs all the way through Kroll through to Kidby, and once you cross over the bridge you get back on it again and you can go all the way to Scunthorpe near Glanford Park. Okay, so coming up to the bend now, just going to go past this pile of you know what, and the canal is literally just on the right. As you can see, the council need to do a bit of improvement there. It's not the safest way to enter. Well, here we go, this is the start of the AXHOLME Greenway. So as you can see, it's pretty good surface around here. It's a nice fine gravel. But on this route, I'm actually going to turn the left at Godnow Bridge, and go through Crawley itself. How good is this for a commute to work? The only thing I've had to contend with the last few days is the swans, really. They're protecting their young, so I just give them a wide berth. There you go, there's mum and dad with the young. This continues for maybe 2 miles from beginning to end. That's 3 miles at most. So about 3 to 5 kilometres. Typically 5 to 10 minutes to get down to the next junction, which is near Medge Hall. Look how still it is today. This is where the car park gets a bit uneven. As you can see, I want a bit of private land here, and it needs some serious attention. But literally, see where that wall is, past that wooden thing, that is the beginning of the road. So even if you're on a road bike, you've only got, I don't know, 100 metres to cover, if that. And if you're coming this way, this direction, just clearly check to right before you zoom out. So as you can see, very little conflict with any sort of traffic this way. How nice is it today? Let's have a look over my right shoulder. We're taking a left here. Great, no train coming. I'm going to just cross straight over. And look, another single track road which will take us all the way into Crawley itself. So again, this is only a 10-mile ride for me, nothing too massive. Now 10 miles might seem a lot to some people. I remember my first 10-mile bike ride, out of breath, but it's still, even then, only took me 40 minutes to do, and that was all on the flat, just like this, and you just get used to it. Just gets easier and easier. Now I can just do it no problem, no matter what the weather. No matter what the weather. So yeah, there's no real excuse for not jumping on a bike, especially if you've got to go from anywhere around this area. The Isle of AXHOLME Greenway takes you all the way to Scunthorpe. So you know, you get all the way to this town centre, off the road, barely any traffic. I'm just heading away from the marketplace now. School coming up just on the right. So here I am, just back turning into Seven Lakes, and it looks like it's a 1940s weekend. It's either this weekend or next weekend. I guess it is this weekend.